In a land of fire and rock, a volcano named Vinny had a peculiar habit. Every time he erupted, he rearranged the landscape like a decorator with a flair for chaos. I call it creative destruction, Vinny boasted to his friend, Larry the Lava. One day, Vinny decided to surprise the villagers by sculpting a giant smiley face on the mountain. "They'll love it," he chuckled. But as the villagers gathered, they burst into laughter. Vinny's smiley face looked more like a grumpy cat. "Well," Vinny sighed, "art is subjective. Like, comment, and subscribe for more laughs."